How to fix and protect your Facebook account from hackers. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video we will discuss how we can protect our Facebook account from it being likely hacked or vulnerable to hackers. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now keep in mind that one of the most likely reasons for a Facebook account hack is on mobile device especially. There basically someone sends you a particular link. When you tap on that link, it will ask you to enter your Facebook email and password to receive this kind of particular gift. And then you enter your email and password, then all of a sudden you realize that your Facebook account has been hacked. And those are simply some of the spammy links you normally every day get on the Facebook platform, and there's just really no end to this. The other thing is you could have logged in your Facebook account on a public browser or on a public computer or personal computer, and when someone else actually uses it, they basically install some kind of virus unknowingly, and then all of a sudden there is a malware attack and your Facebook account could be hacked in that way. But don't worry, because hopefully today I've got some of the few solutions for you on how you can very easily protect your Facebook account from hackers if it's very vulnerable. Now for that, first of all, we will go ahead and then open up the Facebook application. You want to make sure that now no one can actually see your email address. Is one of the most likely reasons is also making your email address public. For example, if your email address and phone number is public on the Facebook platform, hackers are very prone to this, and they'll very easily actually try to gain access to your account. So you want to make sure that you don't make your email address and so on public. But other than that, there are also a couple of things which we can do in order to protect our account. And the second way to fix this is to simply turn on two-factor authentication. And in order to do that, we're going to go to the menu page and we're going to scroll down to the bottom, select settings and privacy, and select the option which says settings. As soon as you select settings, over here you'll find the option which says security and login. Go ahead and tap on security and login. Now very first thing, if you're kind of insecure at the moment, I would also recommend you just go ahead and change the password in case you don't want anybody to log into your account. You could go ahead and review some of the devices where you're currently logged in, as you can see, and you could basically go ahead and remove these devices from the list on which you're currently logged in. Tap on the three dots and then tap on the remove account or the logout button at the bottom right. But what we're going to do is, on a two-factor authentication, you can see use two-factor authentication will ask you for a login code if we notice an attempted login from an unrecognized device or browser. So you could basically go ahead and turn on two-factor authentication. You could select a security method, which is authentication app, which is mostly recommended by Facebook themselves, or the security key is also one of the secure ways, and the text messages SMS, which means on a phone number, is also one of the most secure ways to actually secure your account. But let's say you select any of one of these security methods. I will tap on the continue button, and you could go ahead and set up via third-party authenticators such as their Google Authenticator and so on, in order to go ahead and simply verify your account. Or you could turn on two-factor authentication using the normal SMS text messages. You could enter your phone number or add a new phone number, tap on continue, and then choose a code, and then that's where you'll be able to log into your account and protect it from hackers. Hopefully this video answered your question and gave you some of the insights, very minimum, about the hacking vulnerability on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.